Take a ride in the 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, fog lamps. Your new ride is just a phone call away.